What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the TOPDON battery tester, the BT300P model number. We're going to hook this thing up and see how it performs. Alright, so here we have the battery tester in hand. We're going to go ahead and hook up the leads onto the battery. Okay, now we have power. Alright, so here we have some of the options here. So we're going to hit OK for the battery test. And this is a sealed AGM battery. So we're going to go down here to AGM. Select that. And this is a 720 cold cranking amp. So we're going to go ahead and select CCA. And we're going to jump this up until we hit 720 by just holding the up button. Hit enter and it's going to test. Alright, so the health of the battery shows up as 100%, charges 50%, internal resistance rated. Now, as you can see here, there's an enter button. If I push this button, it will actually print out everything we just saw there on the screen. So there you have it. Charge percentage, it's good, all the above, all the information. So if anybody has a shop where they'd like to keep a record, maybe give to the customer, you do have that ability with this particular device to print out whatever you have run for your test. Okay, next up we've got a cranking test. So we hit enter on that. Please start the engine. Okay, so we can see here that when we go into review data, you are able to review all the data that you just got from each test. So here we have the battery test, we have the charging test, we have the cranking test. And depending on which screen you are in, if you hit enter, you can reprint those test results. So in essence, this is the functionality of this BT300P. So you can decide if this particular model will work for you. So there you have it, folks, the TOPDON BT300P. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.